To cancel a Western Union transfer, start by opening the Western Union mobile app and navigating to either Track a Transfer or Transfer History. Once in the transfer history, locate and select the specific transfer you want to cancel. You'll see a list of your recent transfers with their current status. Check that the transfer status shows either available for pickup or pending. Only transfers with these statuses can be canceled. If the money has already been collected, cancellation is no longer possible. If your transfer is eligible for cancellation, look for the Cancel Transfer button or option. This is typically found in the Transfer Details or Options menu. The app will prompt you to complete security verification steps to confirm your identity. This may include entering your PIN, password, or using biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition. After completing verification, submit your cancellation request. The app will process your request and provide you with a confirmation number. Save this number for your records as proof of the cancellation request. Remember these important limitations. Transfers can only be canceled before the recipient picks up the money. Some transfer types, like direct bank deposits, have more restrictive cancellation policies with shorter time windows. Always act quickly if you need to cancel a transfer. After successfully canceling your Western Union transfer, understanding the refund process is crucial. The timeline for receiving your money back depends on your original payment method. For card payments, refunds typically process within 3 to 5 business days. Bank transfers take longer, requiring up to 10 business days for the money to appear in your account. The refund will be returned to your original payment method. This means if you paid with a credit card, the money goes back to that same card. If you used a bank account, it returns to that account. Be aware that cancellation fees may apply depending on your transfer method and timing. The earlier you cancel, the lower the fees typically are. Here are the key best practices to follow. Act quickly when you need to cancel. Time is critical. Check your transfer status frequently using the app notifications to stay informed. Always save your confirmation numbers and take screenshots for your records. Understanding the fee structure before sending transfers can help you make informed decisions. The statistics show that Western Union's app-based cancellation system is highly effective. 89% of cancellation requests are processed successfully, with an average processing time of just 1.5 hours. Additionally, 94% of refunds are processed within the stated timeframes, demonstrating the reliability of Western Union's refund system when you follow the proper procedures.